Hey guys, alright, so for today's monologues, you're going to need to have your full monologue open as well as the Flipgrid tab. So you're probably in today's EL assignment, and if you go down to slide number 5, that's where you'll find the Flipgrid link. So we want to go ahead and click on the link so it opens up a new tab up here at the Flipgrid website. Once you're here, you're going to click this button, Record a Response, to record your response. But it's very important that as you're recording, you're making sure that you have the monologue open in front of you. So Thursday's EL is where you had your beginning, middle, end, and UDHR connections all in one Google Slides so that you could easily click through it and record your monologues. So now that you have your monologue open in one tab, and the Flipgrid open in another, you can double check the CFS, which is also the same in the assignment. So you have the CFS in Friday's assignment for your monologues or right here on Flipgrid. So I know I'm going to introduce my character first, then I'm going to read the monologue, then I'm going to say cut, and then I'm going to explain my UDHR. All right, here we go. Record a response. If this pops up, you're going to want to press Allow on your computer. All right, so it might take a second to load, and now you're ready to record your response. All right, now I'm going to go back here. All right, so we are recording. Hey everybody, so today my monologue is about Miguel when he lost his job at work, and I'm going to be explaining this from Miguel's point of view. Action. I couldn't believe what happened at work today. I thought everything was going great working on the motors until my boss pulled me aside and said, Miguel, I'm sorry, but the new folk from Oklahoma will work for half the pay. You can take the ditch digging job instead if you'd like, but that's the best I can offer. So, alright guys, you're going to read through your beginning, your middle, and your end, and then explain your UDHR connection here. Notice that this is still recording on Flipgrid as I'm reading from the other tab. If you need to pause for some reason, you could just press pause here, and you're like, oh wait, let me go back to what I needed, which was, right, I'm up to the middle, go back to Flipgrid, press this button again, and continue from where you were reading. So once you read the beginning, middle, and end, you also want to say cut, and then explain, okay, so that was my monologue, and in that, the event it violates is UDHR human right number 23, because everyone is entitled to fair work, and basically explain what you wrote about the UDHR connection. So overall, and let's pause this too. Overall, you're going to just follow the CFS, which you have in your Friday assignment and on the Flipgrid. You're going to introduce the character, read the monologue, say cut or the end, and explain the UDHR connection. Hope this video is helpful. As always, reach out to me or Miss Cruz if you need help with recording. See you soon.